To add or change your profile picture in WhatsApp on an iPhone, simply follow these steps. Firstly, launch the WhatsApp app on your profile and make sure you are logged into your WhatsApp account. Once logged in, tap on the settings icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. Now, once you tap on the settings icon, then inside settings menu, tap on your name or profile located at the top with your current profile picture. Now, once you have done so, tap on the camera icon or edit option available there, or simply tap on the photo you have currently available. Then tap on the edit option available in the top right corner. Then choose a photo as a select from photos or take a new photo. Simply tap on choose from photos. Now browse through the photo you want from your gallery. Then simply select one and tap on it. Then the profile picture will be visible to your contacts after you tap on the create or done option available in the bottom right corner. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.